Greetings. My name is Sandra Carter, and I am known as the Math Lady. Let me take a moment to introduce myself. I'm a graduate of Southern University, A&M, and the Georgia Institute of Technology. I'm the founder of Math One-on-One LLC, and we have published a book entitled How to Help Parents and Kids Get Over the Fear of Math. We have written, produced, and directed the Math Lady DVD Fun Interactive Math Workshop. And we have also published and produced the Math One-on-One LLC SAT Math Bootcamp. I'm delighted to share more information with you about our SAT Math Bootcamp. We have employed many college students and recent college graduates as tutors in the areas of math, physics, and chemistry. I want to implore you to be prepared for the final opportunities to take the SAT in the 2019-2020 school year. The next dates are Saturday, March 14th, Saturday, May 2nd, Saturday, June 6th, with the corresponding registration deadlines of Friday, February 14th, Friday, April 3rd, and Friday, May 8th. We want to assist you in getting ready to take the SAT and to improve in the areas of math. We have a course that we would like to share with you to help you get ready to do the best you can on the SAT in the area of math. The SAT math portion has 58 problems. You have 80 minutes to complete those 58 problems. Even if you knew how to work every problem, clearly that is not enough time to improve your score and earn as many points as possible. You really need a strategy, and we're here to help you with that strategy. In our first module, we will talk about the structure, strategy, and terms of the math portion of the SAT. And in the last module, module number 7, we will talk about the traps to avoid. The SAT is designed to trick you. We're here to help you avoid those traps. We're definitely going to teach you the math. Modules 2 through 6 talk about arithmetic, the heart of algebra, problem solving, and data analysis, passport to advanced math, and additional topics in math. Are you ready to get started? Of course you are. We want to share with you a few student success stories. Saturday, February 16th, 2019 was a great banner year for our company. We taught 17 students the SAT Math Bootcamp that was sponsored by the Lawrenceville Duluth Alumni Chapter and the LDAC Foundation of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity at Roberts Elementary in Suwanee, Georgia. Many of the students had an amazing increase in their math scores of 40 to 50 points and an 80-point increase in the SAT scores overall. This handsome gentleman on the right is Mr. Devin Smithwick. He attended our SAT Math Bootcamp. He is an officer in the Lawrenceville Duluth Kappa League. He increased his score to 1,270 points. That 1,270 will put a person in the 85th percentile of students taking the SAT in the nation. And that opens him to the opportunity to attend many elite universities on the East Coast. We have testimonials from people who have enjoyed our services. Mr. Garrett Lash of the Alpharetta Smyrna Alumni Chapter of Kappa Alpha Psi gives us kudos after we gave an entrepreneurship presentation to the young men of the GuideRight program. We also have kudos from Mr. Daud Hasib. He is the current pole mark of the Lawrenceville Duluth alumni chapter of Kappa Alpha Psi. We gave the young men of the GuideRight program the entrepreneurship presentation. Mr. Hasib also invited us to give the same entrepreneurship presentation to the National GuideRight program in the form of a webinar. Feel free to go online at Yelp and look at these testimonials for yourself. We're here to give you 10 tips to increase your math SAT score. Interested in that? Of course you would. First, we want to inform you that the SAT did change in 2016. This new math SAT does not penalize for incorrect answers. Not know the answer? Guess. Second, you may use a calculator on only one section of the new math SAT. We suggest that you set up the problem on paper, use your calculator, clear the calculator after each new problem or new step, and please do not use the memory function. We definitely want to encourage you to use your brain. Your brain is so powerful, and your brain will actually work faster than your fingers can press the calculator keys. There are some problems that can be solved with just a little bit of ingenuity. And if you find that you're calculating too much, there is probably an intuitive solution to the problem. Next, plug the answer choices given in the problem and verify the correct response for multiple choice questions. Remember, with the multiple choice question, the answer is right in front of you. Next, working problems that yield a negative number or square roots are ungriddable. That probably indicates that you have an error. Recheck your work. Next, eliminate at least 2 of the 4 multiple choice answers. Usually, 2 of the answers will be totally off the map. Eliminate, if you understand the problem, 2 of those wrong answers and guess of the remaining 2. Next, circle the problems in the test booklet and answer sheet that you plan to revisit, and keep your answers in the correct order on your answer sheet. I would hate to have a situation where you knew the correct answer to the question, but you were just 1 off and filled in your answer sheet incorrectly. Circle the problems in the test booklet and the answer sheet and keep your answers in the correct order. Remember to rate your changed answers cleanly. Your multiple choice questions will be graded by a machine. That machine is unforgiving. Next, figures provided are not always drawn to scale. Do not make assumptions. Only use the information that is given in the problem or information that you can derive based on a known formula. And lastly, draw your figure if no figure is provided. If you found that this information was helpful, then I would strongly recommend that you invest in an SAT Math Bootcamp. You will receive a 200-page manual and a copy of How to Help Parents and Kids Get Over the Fear of Math. The cost or investment of an SAT Math Bootcamp is $175 per student for at least 10 students. You will receive a 6-hour SAT Math Bootcamp via live class or webinar. You can also utilize this bootcamp as a fundraising opportunity for your youth organization, just as the Lawrenceville Duluth GuideRight chapter did in 2019. Or if there is only one student who would like to have an SAT Math Bootcamp and we do not have a class scheduled available, Then we can have a 2-hour SAT Math Boot Camp question and answer session for just one student at a cost of $200 per student. The course material will be provided 1 to 2 weeks in advance for the student to review, and it will be delivered either live or Skype. Reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you prepare and earn as many points as you can on the math portion of the SAT. We can be reached at P.O. Box 871175, Stone Mountain, Georgia 30087. Call us at 404-358-2383. math1on1@att.net is our email. You can order your own copy of the SAT Math Boot Camp at www.math1on1.net. Remember, this is the Math Lady. You can find us on Facebook. And at Math One-on-One, we are here to help students move from fear to ferocity, from pain to power, and from apathy to academic excellence. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.